Chapter 3, Education and Careers, Chasing Dreams. Question number 1. Why do you think nobody spoke while eating dinner? No talk. Nobody spoke while eating dinner for two reasons. Jamil was upset, and to ask him to the reason could make him more distressed. It is not good to talk while eating food. It is considered among the bad etiquettes. Food must be eaten in silence. Question number 2. What did Jamil want to be and why was he upset? Jamil's worries. Jamil wanted to become a doctor and wanted to serve his people. He was thinking about his future, example, his education and career. He got good grades, but there was no college in his village or nearby villages to study further. He wanted to become a doctor. To go and get education in the city was not easy. To go and get education in the city, in the village. सिटी में कम मुश्किल है, विलेज में was not easy because he was not financially stable. All these things made him upset. Why do you think Sarah tried to hide her feelings? Sarah's feeling. Sarah was the sister of Jamil. She was also a brilliant student and wanted to be a doctor like her brother. Her father decided to send his son Jamil to the city to study further, as he could only bear his son's expenses. He was not willing to send his daughter to the city to study further. That's why she started crying and tried to hide her feelings so that her father might not know about it. Both Sarah and Jamil had to pass every test in the first go. Why was it so? Tests to be passed. Sarah and Jamil were brilliant students. They had a dream of becoming doctor and serve their people. They also knew their financial condition, so they worked extremely hard to pass all the tests in the first go. They could not afford to fail in any subject. How did Sarah and Jamil and their family manage the expenses for their studies? Sarah and Jamil went to the city for further education. Living there, attending college and then medical college was not a bed of roses. The idiom. To meet their expenses, both of them gave tuitions to the children. Their parents never let them know the problems they faced during all this time. Even they had to sell a piece of fertile land to pay their fees. How did the life change for Jamil's family and the villagers? The change. After Sarah and Jamil had become doctor, their life totally changed. They both set up a hospital in their village and served the people by taking care of their health problem. Both of them visited the nearby villages as well to examine the patients there. They also guided them how to improve their health and hygiene. How was Sarah education the village women? The guidance for the village women या villagers. Sarah became doctor after a long and hard struggle. She had faced a lot of hardship to achieve her dreams, but finally she was blessed and grateful for what she had achieved. She visited the nearby villages with her brother to examine the patient there. She also hosted successful seminars for the village women and guided them to improve their personal and family health and hygiene. What lesson do we get from the story? The lesson. We get a very brilliant lesson that we should see the dream, and for that we should work very hard. Only hard work and true dedication help us to achieve what we desire. There is no shortcut in this regard. Without dedication and hard work, nothing can be achieved. How can one achieve his her dream? Highlight some factors. Achievement of one's dream. One can achieve his her dream by believing in herself himself. One should be hardworking and courageous to face every kind of circumstances. Moreover, one should never shrink oneself from striving harder.